La ilaha inni fa'antasir inni maklubun zalimin. Ya Allah, there is no such being in the world like you. Your soul is purified. This dua was recited by Sayyid Yunus salam when he was in the fish tummy, and Allah accepted this dua. And after this incident, Holy Prophet peace be upon him said that every Musliman who is in the state of problem and grief can recite this dua in order to reach out to Allah and also in order to solve their problem. Verse 2. Rabbana inni maklubun fa'antasir. My God, I am in tension. Now you are the only one who can help me. This dua was given to Hazrat Nuh when the against party people were terrifying the people living in the village. Rather than accepting the decision, however, this dua was accepted in the tremendous way by God that heavy rainfall was seen, and in this way Allah helped Hazrat Nuh and his companions by the ship, and the against party people were diminished. Verse 3. Rabbana ghafurur rahim wa anta khairul ajmain. Ya Allah, forgive me. You are the Lord of forgiveness. You are the only Lord who can forgive us. Holy Prophet peace be upon him learned this dua by Allah and stated that Holy Prophet peace be upon him is the last prophet of this